Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how you can actually go and use AnyDesk on your mobile. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to of course AnyDesk. So go to the App Store or the Google Play Store, whichever you of course guys have. Now when you did that, all you need to do is go and as you can see, if this is for the iPhone users, because I'm on the App Store and I'm using at the moment the iPhone mobile phone. So when you're here, you, as you can see, will have some different options. So you'll have the today screen, you'll have the games, you will have the apps, arcade, and the search bar at the end. Of course, to find the application and use it, we will need to go and click on the search bar. So now when you click on the search bar, now you have to go and click on the bar and type AnyDesk. So it's ANIDESK. Click on search and voila, here it is. Here it is, the AnyDesk application. You can click on it and here you can see the age, ratings, chart, developer, language, the size of the application. And you can of course see some more things down here. So you can see the ratings, you can see the reviews. So whole reviews are here. You're going to see, of course, see some other stuff about the application. Now, when you want to go and download it, click on download. Click the double click of course for iPhone users, and your application then will start downloading. When it of course downloads, just in a few seconds, it's a small application, you click open, and here you can of course go and use it. So basically you can put your address here, you have your recents, you have the top right corner where you have your settings, recording, tutorial, help, and about AnyDesk. That is how you can go and use it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.